All right, hey, Lovable crew, this is Mo. We're back for week 2. This week, I'm focusing on delivering like the core functionality. So what I'm going to demo is the ability to come in here and find a basketball court. So what we built is a flow called Discover Courts, where you can find basketball courts near you or search for any location. Couple ways we can do that. So here, we've enabled sort of a location button. If you click that, you will see basketball courts near you. Where I happen to be, this is the courts. These are courts that are local. You can also come in here and, for example, type another city. Let's go to New York, New York. And with that, boom, we see all the courts in New York, New York. We can kind of get a feel for this. Is a pretty cool court. Look at the Stanton Street courts in Christie Street, Newville. It's a pretty cool 76th Street course. So you see to see all these courts. Look at this court. So you click on these things, come on in here. Working on some of the data associated with the court detail pages. Feeling that out. I have gotten some really good feedback from a couple folks on what we might include on these, but just for now, we're kind of thinking like features of the court. We'll include maybe some history of the court here in the about section. We'll also include like the address and whatnot. We did connect the get directions piece here, so you can pop that open and go ahead and jump into Google with that. And so it'll come up someday here. But you can see it's going to be pretty far for me to get to like New York to play at that court. So I'll probably want to pick more local court if I'm going to actually check in and go play. But we're working on court details like court type, for example, surface type, number of hoops, lights, yes or no, etc. We're going to allow folks to get in here and rate this court once you're signed in. So, and then we're also working on the capability to kind of see active players who've checked in at the court. That's kind of where that data will come from. Other than that, that's kind of where we're at. That's this week's demo. We've delivered basic functionality to actually discover courts. And we're going to continue to build out our MVP here. Next week, our focus will be on defining sort of those minimal marketable features. What else do we need? I'm already getting some feedback coming in from the initial push with the waitlist feature that we talked about last week. So already getting some pretty good feedback in here. I'm excited about it. I'm also looking at the competition, seeing where some areas of opportunity to improve the user experience is. And so I'll be sharing some of that through the week. So there you go. We got map view, list view. You can click the button, go based on kind of the courts near you. You can also type in, as we demonstrated here, New York, New York. You can type in Los Angeles, California, for example. There's a nice, what kind of breed of dog is that? Pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, you'll see, you can see, you can bounce around. How far can we go? Can we go to like, I don't know, Istanbul, Turkey? Is it Istanbul? Istanbul. Let's go to Istanbul, Turkey. All right, here we are. Look at that. We can even go check out courts in Turkey. Boy, look at this. They get low in Turkey. Boy, he's playing a nice defense there. We'll be able to check in Turkish players, rec players, kids. You got it. So here we are. This is week 2. Still building Hoop now, step by step, brick by brick. We are shipping each week, and we're really excited. Stay focused out there to get that feedback rolling, and we'll see you out there. Have fun shipping. Peace.